So, hello students, welcome back. Just a few lines of our poem, The Unknown Citizen, are left. So let this poem finish. Okay. Our researchers into public opinion are content that he held the proper opinions for the time of year. When there was peace, he was for peace. When there was war, he went. He married and added 5 children to the population, which our eugenist says was the right number for a parent of his generation. And our teachers report that he never interfered with the education. Okay, so the next department which monitored the life of the unknown citizen is public opinion. Okay, so the researchers who were observing the behavior or opinions of the people of the country, what they noted down that the unknown citizen had proper opinions. Means he was when there was peace in the country, he supported it. He always tried to maintain peace in the country. Peace means shanti, that he always tried to maintain peace. And when there was war, means the country was fighting with the another country, he became a soldier. He understood what his duties should be at the time of war. He supported the decisions of the government, as he was merely a puppet in the hands of the government. So he went to fight the war. Okay, this line is very important, that when there was peace, he was for peace. When there was war, he went. This point, this line shows that he was merely a puppet. He followed the government blindly. He didn't have his own mindset, his own thinking process. He was totally indecisive. He never said that war is wrong, okay, or there should be always peace in the country. No, he never said that. He just supported the government. And yes, such kind of people makes the government happy. That is why the public opinion found that his views are proper. He was married. Okay, first information we get here is he was married, and then he added 5 children to the population, which our eugenist says. See the word our. Our here means that the standardization, the standard which the government has set. Okay. Now the word eugenist means uh, a person, or yes, a person who works on to improve the population size of the country. Means who tells the government that or is part of the government and says that is the population is on hike, or something else. Okay, or it tells about the sex ratio of the country, or the demographic descriptions, like that. Okay, so according to the government, according to the standard which was set by the government at that time, that 5 children was a good number to for a normal, for an average citizen. Okay, it means that the unknown citizen was not free, was not he was not the one who was planning his family. It was the government who was planning unknown citizen's family for him. Okay, so this line is also very important, that he married and added 5 children to the population. Okay, so yes, one thing more. Time of year. Time of year means political, any event that is having political importance, means if uh, whatever the need of the government was at any political issue, at any political event, the unknown citizen was present at. at that time for the government for supporting it. Okay. Yes. And our teachers report that he never interfered with their children, with their education. There, the word there means the education of the children of the unknown citizen. Okay. See, in most of the cases, the educational institutions are satisfied when they get the fee. Okay. And they don't want, educational institutions don't want the parents to interfere with the system. So this is reality. Don't apply it on your institutions. Okay. So, so this is the case. Even see, the public opinion was happy that he was the unknown citizen was having proper opinions. He was always supporting the government in any case. Okay. Then he was adding proper number of children to the population. So the eugenist was also happy. Then teachers. Teachers were happy as they were teaching this, the students, the children of the unknown citizen in their own way, and the children's parents, means the unknown citizen, was not interfering with the system. All right, means here we can say that the unknown citizen left the decision of career building of his children on the teacher's own. Okay. Yes. Now, the most important lines of the poem. Was he free? Was he happy? He here is the unknown citizen. Okay. Was the unknown citizen happy? Was he free? The question is absurd. Now, the government says this question is totally absurd. This question is meaningless. Was he happy or free? Had anything been wrong, we should certainly have heard. We here means the government. Okay. See, the government is fully confident that the unknown citizen was happy. Okay. The government was planning his family, the government was planning the unknown citizen's family. Okay. And the government or the teachers were deciding what kind of education should be given to his children. Then how can that person was free? The unknown citizen wasn't free. But the government is fully confident yet that yes, any citizen living in in its country was free. So this is the irony. This is the satire. Okay. See, freedom and happiness. The unknown citizens, each and every activity was monitored and controlled by the government. So he wasn't free at all, and he wasn't happy because he wasn't having any of his own views. Okay. Then regarding absurd, it can be said that the government is not interested in listening the grievances of the citizens of its country. So that is why the government says, was he free or happy? The question is absurd. The question is baseless for the government. Okay. It is not the citizens who are happy, but it is the government who is happy, and the government finds that everybody is happy. Okay, without looking into the interests of the people or the hobbies of the people, without looking into the habits of the people or heart or soul, just statistics is the need of the government. All right. See, the major theme of the poem is objectification of the human lives. Human life for the government is just and merely an object which doesn't have any feeling. Okay. Then the critique on totalitarianism eliminating democracy. Democracy, we all know, government for the people, to the people, and by the people. It is the simplest definition of the democracy. And totalitarianism means just one government. One government means just like the kingdom of a king, that sole leader is there. Okay, so it is a critique, or it is pointing out that the democracy is eliminated by the is getting eliminated by the totalitarianism, by just rule of sole leader or one leader. Okay, so this is the poem The Unknown Citizen, and the last two lines are very important. You have to write these lines in the question whenever you will attempt the answer. Okay, so learn these lines very well by heart. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you.